Some animal names are intimidating, like the Gila monster. Some are descriptive, like the Anteater. Others are just kinda odd. In this video, we'll talk about a few more weird animal names. Let's get into it. In the last video, it seems I missed an obvious one that was directly under my nose. Boobies. More specifically, the various birds that are all called boobies. The most well-known is probably the blue-footed booby, but there's a few others, like the brown booby or red-footed booby. Why booby? Well, the term booby was a popular English slang term that meant stupid. It was derived from the Spanish slang term bobo, meaning the same thing. This is why booby traps are called booby traps. They're meant for dim-witted people. As for how booby came to mean breast, it's not really clear how that happened. Many think that it comes from the Latin word pupa, which roughly means little girl. Yeah, that's not creepy or anything. Despite this theory being all over the internet, I couldn't find any real evidence for it, thankfully, so for now, I guess we don't really know for sure. Sticking with the topic of slang words for breast, let's talk about the great tit, which is also a bird. Now, the great tit isn't named so because it has great... It was named so because it's the largest of the tits, a group of relatively small birds. Them being small actually plays into their name, because the word tit used to mean something that was small. Okay, let's move away from birds and talk about chicken turtles, which are not some animal from the Avatar: The Last Airbender universe, but rather an actual turtle that is found in the southeastern United States. This turtle is not called a chicken turtle because it clucks or anything. No, it's called that because its meat apparently tastes like chicken. Well, if you want to add extra protein to your chicken turtle breakfast, you might want to consider a fried egg jellyfish, which is named so because, well, it literally looks like an egg. It's found in all of the world's oceans, but it's most commonly seen in the North Pacific alongside bacon sharks and orange juice crabs. It doesn't have a respiratory, circulatory, or excretory system, meaning it doesn't breathe like most animals do because it has no lungs. It instead takes in oxygen through its very thin skin. It doesn't have a circulatory system, so it has no blood and no heart. And it doesn't have an excretory system, so it expels waste through the same hole it takes food in from. This jellyfish, like most jellyfish, is barely a living thing, but hey, at least it kind of looks like an egg. That's cool. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and if you got any suggestions for a future video, drop it in the comments below. Until next time, take care everybody.